Like, we're not long these coins. Cosmos is down 30%. Algorand's down 29%. Avalanche, our signal told you to get out, is down 27% in a week, right? So now Bitcoin's down 7, okay? That's different. That's my only position. As soon as Solana broke trend, guess what I did? Sold it all. Yeah, that's how you do it, right? So the best way to deal with a super high volatility asset class is to risk manage it with the rules that you have. And the last thing I'd say about that is that Bitcoin's trend is like right around, it's rarely a round number, and it's not today, but 95,008. So you can see it's like clicking below it a little bit, going above it. Just let the thing do what it's going to do for maybe 1 to 2 days. And if in 2 days from now, 48 hours from now, if that thing is still below, and it's not going to be 95,008. Tomorrow I'm going to tell you it's 94,902 or something like this. Whatever the machine tells me to do, that's what I'm going to do. But if it's below trend in 48 hours, I'll just sell it all. It's okay. It's going to be okay, right? And if it isn't, then I don't have to. Today, if anything, well, first of all, I just bought it. So let's and I sold some last week, which you saw in Portfolio Solutions after I bought it when it was down, coming in and out of another day. It is, I said this on the call, Jonesy. It is preposterous for one to sit there and rationalize selling their Bitcoin because of tariffs. Like, you don't really know. You're just concerned about something that's concerning you. You don't really know that that's why you should be doing that. Now, we'll see how it goes from here, but that is not a good fundamental decision. Now, to put it in context, last point on this, it's called the wrecked people, wrecked, right? So if you look at what is currently happening, like the amount of people or amount of dollars that have been Bitcoin positions have been liquidated in the last 24 hours, just hit a record. 2.4 going on 2.5 billion wrecked. That means they chased it at the top end of the range last week, and now voila, they're getting liquidated here. These people have no idea what they're doing.
So liquidated is they're being forced to sell, basically.
Yeah, well, they force themselves because they're like they have stop losses or whatever they're doing. I mean, whatever they're doing, you should not play the game that way. You want to play against people that play the game that way. Yeah. Right? They chase high, they freak out low, and the biggest, just to put that in context, the worst day before today on a 24-hour liquidation basis, getting stopped out or puking or panicking or all of the above, was on the day that Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX collapsed.
Yep, which was specific to that industry, right?
Yes, yeah. Fraud. It was 1.6 billion that day, or a 24-hour window. So just to put if you really feel it this morning, which I certainly hope you don't. If you really do, then just put, okay, my feelings when put in context, it's the biggest move ever in terms of people being forced to sell for whatever reason that might be. I'm not forced to sell anything here. If it breaks trend, like I said, I will sell it. Like I sold my Dogecoin. That thing looks like dog shit.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.